Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and the big day is almost here. So today's video is all about gift cards and cash. With last minute gifts on your mind, I want to share a few ways you can dress up those last minute gift cards and cold hard cash to make them look like you put a lot of thought and effort into them. Now, if you can find them, there are some really cute boxes on the market for gift cards. But by this point in the game, they're always picked over and the not so cute ones are what's left. So I'm going to show you how to dress up your gift cards and cash and give them with a bit of class with things from the Dollar Tree. I think one of the best finds at the Dollar Tree are these clear gift bags. They are loot bags and come in a count of 20, and they make dressing up your gift cards so easy. Now, I'm sure right at the top of the list are Target and Walmart for gift card giving this season. So I want to show you guys how I like to give them, and that is in Ornaments. If you can find or have on hand any of the little Dollar Tree sleighs, they make the perfect gift card holder. They fit perfectly right inside, and then you can wrap them up. Here I used a little bit of shred from the Dollar Tree and of course the clear gift bags to wrap them up with a little bit of twine. Now you can give any gift card with an ornament, and I think that immediately dresses them up. And one of the cheapest places to find ornaments is the Dollar Tree. My favorite happens to be these sleighs. So let's get on to the second most popular gift card to give this season, and that would be Starbucks. If you don't have a Starbucks, you may have a Dunkin' Donuts. For these, I love to pick up these clear glass bottles from the Dollar Tree in the craft section, and I'm using a little bit of coffee I had on hand. I just filled my clear bottle up with a few coffee beans and popped my gift card in. Now, I will tell you, as a coffee lover, this smells amazing when you open the bottle to grab your gift card. Now on to something you may want to pick up for lunch, Chipotle gift cards. For this one, we're using a few Hershey's Kisses you can find in the candy aisle of Dollar Tree, and another one of the clear craft bottles. I love to take a look at my gift card and get some inspiration on how to wrap it. Since the burritos are covered in foil, I went ahead and added the Hershey's Kisses to match. For this, I'd make a cute tag that says something like, "Something sweet and spicy on me." Pop it in a loop bag, add some ribbon, and you're done. Next up, Bath & Body Works. If you have a candle lover or Bath & Body Works lover in your life, this is the perfect gift with the semi-annual sale right around the corner. To make this one look not so last minute, I'm using a face mask from the Dollar Tree and a little scrubby. You can find things like that at Walmart as well. I added a little bit of tape to the back of my gift card, popped it right on top of the mask, and then put everything in a loop bag and added some gold ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Now I think this looks like I put a lot of thought and effort into it instead of being a last minute gift card. This next one is super easy, but I think matching your gift card to your wrapping is super important, and it makes it look like you put a lot of thought and effort into it. For this one, I'm using some red and green gift cards and some vase filler from the Dollar Tree. I popped my gift card in, then I added a few pieces of the vase filler to the front and back of the gift card. Again, for this one, I would pop it in a loop bag, add a green or red bow, and it is ready to go. For these next two, we're also making sure that we match our gift cards. I had a few small bottle brush trees on hand. I know the Dollar Tree sells some larger ones, and some of the Starlight Mints from the Dollar Tree. So for this one, we are giving a Target gift card and a Walmart gift card. For these, I'm letting the gift card be my guide. So the Target gift card is super cute. It has lots of little peppermints on it, so I matched those to the peppermints from the Dollar Tree, added it to a loop bag, some ribbon, and it's done. Now for this Walmart gift card, I think this is one of the prettiest gift cards out there this year. It is a cityscape, and for this one, I wanted to use some small bottle brush trees to match the cityscape in the background. Now, if you don't have any bottle brush trees laying around, don't fret. Add a little bit of fake snow or some Epsom salts to the bottom, and you have a great presentation. Next up, movie tickets. With the holidays upon us, there are lots of new movies to see, and this is something we are giving this year. So I headed to the Dollar Tree for some popcorn, some snacks, and these really cute little popcorn holders to give our movie tickets in. And just a side note, in my stores, I can only find these on the snack aisle where you can find popcorn and chips, not near the dishes. So here I added some tissue paper, a little bit of decorative shred, my movie tickets and snacks, all to my little popcorn container. I also dressed this one up using some of the clear wrap that you can also find at the Dollar Tree, and it makes a really nice gift and is perfect for the person that has everything. Next up, a really practical gift and something I know I would appreciate. I feel like grocery gift cards are a nice gift to give. For this one, I'm using one of the Dollar Tree tins, and I picked up a gift card to Trader Joe's. Now you could add some snacks from the Dollar Tree. I'm adding this almond chocolate trail mix, which happens to be this person's favorite, putting the gift card right on top, and then I'm just going to add a little bow to my tin. I think this is a wonderful way to give a gift card. Now let's talk the ultimate last minute gift, cold hard cash. Again, something I never mind receiving for that after holiday shopping. So now I'm going to show you a few ways that I like to gift cold hard cash. One way is in the Dollar Tree DIY ornaments. These jar style are the perfect way. I also picked up some bells from the Dollar Tree. Here I added some gold ribbon from the Dollar Tree, rolled up my 20, stuck it right into my ornament, and added the bells. I think this is a super cute gift, or something you could even bring to a ornament exchange. I have sent this before, and it was the first thing to get stolen as many times as possible. This year, I'm giving them a challenge. I'm putting some money in one of the DIY bulb style ornaments rolled up and adding some of the vase filler we used earlier. Since I'm giving cash and it is green, I added just some of the green vase filler to my ornament with my 20. Now I'll wrap it up in a loot bag with a green bow. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I like to dress up my last minute gifts like gift cards and cash with things from the Dollar Tree to make them look like they're not so last minute gifts. Let me know how you like to dress up your gift cards down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell sound